The iPhone X has a great camera, but chances are you're probably not using it to its full potential. So today I want to share with you 4 tips on how you can create better videos and more easily using your iPhone X. So stay tuned. If this is your first time here, then hit that little subscribe button down below and the bell next to it so you make sure you stay notified of all my videos, because I'm all about helping people just like you to create better videos more easily using their phones. So on to this week's tips, and I recommend you sticking around to the end because I'm going to be letting you know how you can get my complete guide to filming high quality videos using your phone. And just so you know, I am filming and editing this on my iPhone X. So step number 1, film in the highest quality available to you. Now your phone probably came set up in HD, which is okay, but you have 4K quality available to you, so you definitely should be using it. Even if you're going to export your final video as HD at the end, you're going to get a much better quality looking image. So all you need to do to change that is to go to your settings, find camera, click on record video and set to 4K. And while we're there, that actually brings us to step 2, which is all about 60 frames per second. Now this is perfect for recording fast action. So if you're ever going to record kids running around, sports games, traffic, anything that's happening a little quicker, then you want to record that in 60 frames per second because it's going to make your image look a lot smoother. So if you wanted to change it, it's in that same setting box. It just says 60 FPS 4K. So tip number 3, preserving your settings. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably use your video function more than the other functions in your camera. So you can set it so that whenever your camera opens, it automatically opens to that video function or the last function you used. This makes it really quick and easy if you want to get that video that's about to happen. Rather than scrolling through which format you need to be on, you can just go straight to the last one you used. So again, in your camera settings, choose the preserve settings option. So number 4, using the second lens. So you have a dual lens on your iPhone X, but what I see is a lot of people still use that pinch function to zoom in. And that's not how we want to zoom in on our iPhone X because that's actually going to degrade the quality of the image and it's going to look terrible. So what you need to do is where it says that 1 in a circle, when you're in the camera function, if you tap on that, it will now say 2 and you will have switched lenses. If you're pinching or scrolling using that arc, all it does is digitally zoom. And that degrades your image. So never ever use that scroll button to zoom or to pinch to zoom. Use that second lens on your camera or actually just get closer to what it is you're filming. So this is just a starting place for you. But if you really want to nail filming high quality videos on your iPhone, then I recommend you downloading my free guide, 10 Steps to Creating High Quality Videos on Your iPhone. You'll find a link for that in the description below. So thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down if you didn't, and I'd love if you leave a comment with your favorite tip from today's video. So if you want to take filming on your phone to the next level, then I recommend checking out these 2 videos. One is 5 apps for editing on your iPhone, and the other is some lighting tips without you having to spend money on gear.